User management is an essential part of Linux administration. Sometimes we need to create new users or add other users to specific groups. Another possibility is to execute commands as a different user. After all, it is not too rare that users of only one specific group have the permission to view or edit specific files or directories. This, in turn, allows us to collect more information locally on the machine, which can be very important. Let us look at the following example of how to execute codes as a different user.
So you brought your ESO narrator over to our hacking series.
I guess,
Yeah.
kinda.
We are accompanied by the prophet. He has joined us. Okay, so cat at sea shadow.
What's cat?
Concatenate, I think, is how you. I'm not sure.
Concatenate would be to like cut off and then get the shortened list number, right? But that wouldn't make sense.
Let's see. Let me look at the cheat sheet. I think cat is concatenate a print files. Concatenate and print files. So basically,
Okay.
it's just looking at a file. It's looking
But
at the.
you need a bigger permission so they can't even show you that, and then you press
Right.
sudo, which is super user directory or something.
Yeah, super user do. Yeah.
Oh yeah, do. Oh, okay.
And it basically runs cat as the administrator, and that's when we get the information returned to us. All right, so we're still logged in. User manager is essential for any operating system. Best way to become familiar with it is to try out the individual commands in conjunction with various options. All right, so let's see if we can answer some of these questions then. Which option needs to be set to create a home directory for a new user using user add -command? Okay, so we could do user add. We could do man user add and see if we can find out what that switch is.
What?
Okay, so the first question.
Or...
the first question is asking which option needs to be set. So that's the space dash whatever letter to create a home directory for a new user using user add command. So that, and then I do things the long way. I'm sure that they're wanting us to do a cat and then look for that string, but I'm gonna do the long way. Home directory is not specified with a dash.
Still trying to answer the first question?
Yeah. The new user will be created using home directory as the value for the user's login directory. Which option needs to be set to create a home directory for a new user using user add? I would say that it's going to be
D.
Yeah, -D.
The user will be created using homedir as the value for the user's login directory. The default is to append the login name to the base dir directory and use that as a login directory name. The director home directory does not have to exist, but will not be created if it is missing.
No, it doesn't like -D. Inactive group groups skeleton directory. No, that's not it.
-M, create a user's home directory if it does not exist.
Okay. See if we can try the -M. See if it'll take just the command.
Yep, it worked.
All right, awesome. Good job. Good job. All right.
So what's the difference between -M and -D?
Your guess is as good as mine. I know.
So one is create one if it does not exist. The other one was something different.
Yeah, it was like it was going to substitute a certain name for it. Which option needs to be set to lock a user's account using the usermod command? Long version of the
Man
option.
user mod.
The what?
Man user mod, right?
Yeah, yeah, we're definitely gonna Q to quit. So we can hit Q. Supposedly. Okay, there we go. So man user mod. So lock a user's account.
Let's see. Append.
Probably L.
Comments. Home. Expire date.
Maybe it'll be -L. That's my guess. I'm gonna go down here to -L. No, that's login.
Inactive.
Capital L. Capital L. Yeah. It doesn't want it. What? Since it locks the user's password.
No, user account, not the password.
Isn't that the same thing?
No idea.
Unlock a user's password. Shows how much I know. Well, I went all the way to Z and I didn't see anything that said locks a user's account.
Well, inactive is the number of days after a password expires until the account is permanently disabled.
Which option
So
needs to be
a value
set?
of 0 disables the account as soon as the password has
Lock a user's
expired.
account using user mod command.
Maybe -F?
I don't know. Let me get up to -F. Inactive. Expired date. This isn't fair. Linux is hard. I don't like hard.
It's not -F0.
Long version of the option. Let me go back down to L and see if there's a longer version of it.
Note, if you wish to lock the account, not only access with the password, you should also set the expire date to 1.
You can't use this with option. This option with P or -U. Lock. Well, would it be -L space 1? No, nothing like that. Can't believe we're struggling through all these things and we don't even get cubes for them.
Long version of the option.
Yeah. User mod. Option needs to be set to lock user's account. It's gotta be L. That's the only thing that even talks about locking it.
-- inactive?
Maybe it's dash dash lock. Maybe that's the long version of it. Try that. Dash dash lock. Yeah, that was it. Okay. All right, so now we know what the long version is for all of this stuff, because the next one it asks for a long version as well. So let's go ahead and queue out of that. Quit man su. Which option needs to be set to execute a command as a different user using the su commands? Probably do sudo. Login shell server environment. Huh. Would it be dash dash login? Similar to what the user would expect had the user logged in directly. Which option needs to be set to execute a command as a different user?
Oh, yep, I got it. Dash dash command.
It's a command. Okay, yeah, that's what I was kind of looking at, since it was talking about doing the command. Initially, I was saying, okay, it's trying to do it as a different user, but it's actually just talking about the command itself.
But SU in general would do it as a different user anyway.
Yeah, it does it as a super user. All right. Package management. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Whether working as a system administrator, maintaining our own Linux machines at home, or building, upgrading, maintaining, or penetration testing distributions of choice, it is crucial to have a firm grip on the available Linux package managers and the various ways to utilize them to install, update, and remove packages. Okay, so this is like Yum, APT, things like that. So, packages are archives that contain binaries of software, configuration files, information about dependencies, and keep track of dates. And we're already at past the hour, so I think, is this the last part of the?
Nope.
No. Okay. Well, do we want to keep on? Do we want to keep on going until
we finish system management at least?
Okay. All right. We'll see if this is the last one, because I thought I had set my alarm, but it didn't go. It didn't go off. All right. So these are the different types of commands that you can use to access the package archives out on the internet. DPGK or DPKG, APT is the one that I normally use, and there's a few others. So Advanced Package Manager. Debian-based Linux distributions use the APT Package Manager, so it depends on which flavor you're using. A package is an archive file containing multiple .deb files. The DPKG utility is used to install programs from the associated .deb files. APT makes updating and installing programs easier because many programs have dependencies. When installing a program from a standalone .deb file, you may run into dependency issues and need to download or install one or more additional packages. APT makes it easier and more efficient to packaging together all the dependencies needed to install a program. So it's probably going to have us install a few programs here.
Oh boy.
This was actually not that hard to do. So now that we have Git installed, so this is going through. So these
GitHub?
little dialog boxes are apt-cache search imp packet. Packet, that's the thing that we're trying to install. Show packet scripts. List installed.
Wait, are you trying to install
I'm just
something right now?
no, I'm just looking through these dialog boxes with the commands in them, just to kind of see what it's talking about.
So
This one actually
DPKG is
doesn't have
Debian
any.
package.
Yeah, this one doesn't have any, or doesn't have any questions yet. This is just all examples of how to install something using apt or dpkg.
Search for evil-winrm tool on GitHub and install it on your interactive instances. Try all installation methods.
Are you at the next? Oh, okay, search. All right, cool. Let's see. Q. Out of there.
So the one was the search using cat.
Search for evil-winrm tool on GitHub. Yeah, so let's go back up here and see which one was the search. Okay, so apt cache search. Yeah. Let's try that one. apt-cache space search evil dash w r. Oop.
Nothing happened.
Win rm.
Oh, do we have to put in the quotes?
Don't know. It doesn't have it in quotes up here on the on the example. It doesn't really tell us any kind of return that it's going to get. It just says dash scripts will do links to useful packet script examples, Polynum. So these are things that you can write on the end of it. You can do dash and then one of these commands.
apt list.
That'll just tell you what's installed on your computer. Try all the different installation methods. I'd say let's just try to install it. Just do an apt evil dash winrm invalid operation.
Would it be sudo apt install?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, try it as sudo apt evil dash WinRM
Password for HTB
install.
students. Oh boy.
Oh,
Remember that from a long time ago?
I do not. It's capital H. Let me see if I can remember it. Capital HTB underscore at Academy underscore STN. No.
Found it. HTB underscore at symbol CADEMY underscore STDNT.
Hold on, let me bring up a
bang.
little notepad. All right, so we had so capital HTB underscore and then the at symbol.
Yeah.
At Academy and then underscore STB. No, what was it? What was the last part of it?
STDNT bang.
Okay. So I was close. I couldn't remember the exact part of the back or the last. All right, so I just wrote that down in a notepad and then copied it. Let's see if it'll. I'm gonna use it. It's not gonna make me. Sudo password.
Sorry, try again. Password.
I don't know what the sudo password is. No. It should be HTB.
HTB student is not a sudoers file. This incident will be reported.
Academy STDNT. Yeah, I got the same thing.
Wait, hold on. If we go through the sudo install packets.
Sudo atp install. Well, no, packets that's what they're trying to install
Yeah.
in that instance.
I was just wondering if it would show the password for anything.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever is -y though. What's that?
Yes. I think that stands for yes. I'm gonna try it with a -y. Sudo apt nrm -y. No. Install. -rm.
No, it still wants password.
STDNT bang. STDNT. Yeah, it's not accepting that password, so. Is there anywhere up here where it gives the password for sudo?
I don't know, but I am Googling it.
Because I've installed stuff before, and all I've ever had to do is do sudo atp install, and then
Oh, check the desktop or the desktop folder. There should be a My Credentials file.
what?
Oh my god, yeah, there is.
So what are we looking for?
Go to your desktop or minimize everything.
Okay.
My_credentials.txt.
Is it supposed to be on? It's supposed to be on the desktop of my computer,
Yes.
or
yes.
like my
Desktop
physical computer, or the emulator
of your
we're using?
instance.
Oh, my instance. Okay. Let's see here. Go back here. See if I can move it around. Oh, okay. Here we go. My credentials. We'll give that a try.
Sorry, try again. What the heck? I think this is because it's under HTB students and not under HTB dash, because we're still logged in.
Yeah, but it didn't tell us to log out and log back in.
How do we log out again?
I have no idea. My capital L. No. Maybe we are supposed to be logged in as ourselves because it's showing my username as the in front of all of the. Yeah, I never saw anything that told us how to log out from that SSH state. See if I can find that cheat file again. Where'd it go? Man, we still have a lot of a lot of things to go left, and we only have 61 minutes left. I don't think we're gonna make it.
Yeah. I mean, if we reset it, I'm pretty sure counter will come back.
Think so? Let's give it a try. Instance is starting. This is an optional exercise anyway.
Oh my god, I'm just gonna close the terminal. Let's see what happens if I just close it.
Okay, so I'm back to so sudo apt install dash
Hey, it works.
winrm. Okay.
Yeah, it's because we were still logged into the SSH thing.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha.
Unable to locate package
package.
evil win-rm.
Maybe there's the. Let's try that search. Remember where it says search? So what was it? ATP search. apt cache search dash cache search evil WRM. Let's try that. apt dash cache search.
Nothing.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't give us any kind of return.
So if we want to list all the ones installed, apt list dash dash installed.
Yeah, that just gives you a list of everything that's installed on this very, very long list. I just did it. There's a huge bunch of Z's. Yeah, there's a very, very long list of stuff that's installed on this machine. Well, do you want to just continue on? This is an optional thing, so.
I want to check the one thing really quick. The Debian one. So just going through the list, I do not see evil -win rm.
Installed
Oh, well.
on the machine?
Yeah, I don't see it installed.
Yeah, I don't either.
Sounds like a freaking worm anyway.
Yeah. It doesn't sound like something we would want on our machine, but. Alright, well, we tried. And then there's no reward for that anyway. You know, we don't get a cube. I'm gonna go ahead and hit mark complete next. Services and process management.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I think this just shows us how to kill a yeah, that's how to go in and kill a process to see what's running and what's system start, system control start SSH. I'm gonna have to try that one.
Use the systemctl command to list all the units of service and submit the unit name with the description load app armor.
CTL. Yeah, okay, so now I think we can use our credentials here. It's asking for a password to start the SSH. Yes. Hey. Oh, the connection timed out.
Oh, I have 11 minutes still.
Well, it was the connection that I had for trying to start the SSH service.
Oh, okay.
I hope this thing will let us continue on next time where we left off, because we ran out of time where we just SOL. Authentication completed. Ah, cool. right, so I've started it. Let me see if.
Wait, you got authenticated?
Status SSH.
Oh, okay. Sorry, it's the other password.
Yeah, the one that's on our desktop. Alright, cool. OpenBSD Secure Shell Server. Looks like everything's up. But now I'm stuck in the
How do we go to the next lines?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering too. Because I'm stuck in the
Oh, okay.
the
It's arrow key, I think.
the arrow.
Maybe, yeah.
-D.
No, that's not the arrow.
Listening on port 22.
Okay, I pressed enter and it changed.
Yeah,
Load app armor profiles managed internally by Snapd.
I'm not getting anything different. Why do we only have 9 minutes left? Because we had an hour earlier, like half an hour ago. Not even half an hour ago. No. I don't know how to get out of this. Well, close the terminal, start it up again.
I think I found it. It's just it didn't have the same exact description.
What was it that you found?
Let me see if I can find it again because I blew past it.
Kill the process.
Okay. Oh man, did I just blow past it again? What the heck? Load app armor profile.
I'm not seeing where do you see that?
So when I did what's the word? SCTL or whatever it was command, I pressed enter until it listed all of them.
It's too hard to remember all these switches and everything. Whenever you go down, you got to scroll all the way down. If they would have had the little interactive thing right over on the side here, and it just stayed with it stayed with you as you're scrolling down the little terminal window, that would have been awesome. Because you got to scroll all the way up to what you have to write in. PS space dash aux space pipe space grep space SSH. How am I supposed to remember all that without having to write it down? PS space dash aux dash pipe dash or space grep space SSH. PS space
AppArmor.service.
aux space pipe.
Nope, that's wrong.
I remembered how to do it. So use the systemctl command to list all units of services and submit the unit name with the description load AppArmor profiles management internal by snap D. That's the answer. So
How the heck do you get out of this mode?
systemctl has an option
it's
to
cute.
list particular units defined as space or dash dash type equals type. Piping your command to grep will help. Doesn't make much sense to me.
The units that are shown are additionally filtered by dash dash type equals.
So systemctl. I have no idea how to do this. Use the systemctl command to list all units of services and submit the unit. I think I have to be logged back into the to even see it, because I'm not logged into the server anymore. All right, well, I'm kind of done with this. We've been at it at almost 2 hours. So,
Yeah.
yeah, you want to go ahead and call it here. Hopefully, it'll let us continue where we left off.
I want to finish at least one last thing.
Well, I'll try to help you figure it out if you want to. We've still got 20 minutes before we hit 2 hours. So you want to go another 20 minutes before we
Possibly, at least whenever this is done.
Okay. Try to get this thing done. So maybe this has an option. Alright, so I'm just going to do a man system CTL.
That's what I'm trying to do myself.
Yeah. And we need something that's going to give us all the option. That's going to give us all. So list units. So we can do a command. So we can do a systemctl space list dash units and then space dash dash all.
Oh, okay, I'll do it. So it's dash list?
No, it's just systemctl space list dash units. And then we can either do a type, but I don't know what to type. I don't know what to. You can do a dash dash all, which will give them all to you, and maybe we can find it.
It just says
the
invalid
list.
option.
This is invalid option.
What was it? Dash dash units.
No, it's just dash units. List dash units. Did you put a space? System CTL list dash units. Okay, I was able to get a return from that doing a dash dash all. So do a systemctl space list dash units space dash dash all. But I do not see something on here that says load app armor profiles.
Sorry, systemctl list
Space list
space list
dash units space dash dash all. But I'm not logged. Actually, I am not logged. Still, I'm not logged into the SSH session anymore. Are you still logged into it? So I'm probably not going to be able to see. Let me give you the syntax over Discord. Where are you? There you are. Okay, I just sent you the syntax via Discord. I don't know if that'll help or not, but I don't remember how to SSH. What's my username? Who am I? Okay, SSH space HTB.
Let me in. Okay, finally. Wait, denied.
I tried to log back in, but okay, I'm connected now. All right. Oh, it says no route to host.
I'm constantly getting a permission denied.
When you try to type in systemctl
I'm resetting everything.
list dash units. Yeah, I'm not able to get logged back in for whatever
Target
reason.
is spawning. Spawn my target.
Oh, maybe I used the wrong thing. SSH HTB dash student.
Permission denied. What the heck?
This is why I will never be a hacker. I have no patience for it. Yeah, I can't even get logged back into the. I can't even get logged back into the SSH session. So I think we've hit a wall. Set target. Well, sorry guys. I mean, if anybody is still watching this, man, kudos on you. You are a iron hoss, iron chef. Jeez, I would have been. I'm doing it. I would have already been pulling my hair out. Gosh. But if anybody is still watching this, okay, so we're gonna try one more time. I just reset my target, so I'm gonna try one more time to get logged into the SSH. Because I think we can figure out HTTP student. I think I know what the.
Oh, the user. Oh, okay. Sorry.
I'm still getting a no route to the host.
So what if we do SSH HTTP student?
That's what I'm doing. Yeah, SSH space HTTP student at, and then the IP address of the target that I just respawned, but it's not giving me a.
Yeah, I was doing that completely wrong.
Oh, I think I wrote it in wrong. SSH. Typed it in wrong.
Oh, finally in again. Jesus, I typed it wrong too.
Okay, yeah. Now we're getting in. Yes. Password. All right, so we want to do system CTL list dash units dash dash all. Seeing pretty much the exact same thing I did when I was on the other machine. I don't see anything that says load AppArmor profiles with the description. Maybe it's because I'm not. Yeah, there's a lot of extra bunch of them. If you hit enter, it'll keep.
Yeah, I found out you had to press Q to exit out of that.
Yeah. But I'm not able to see. Oh, hold on just a second. Let me go back up. Finally learned how to navigate. Oh. Yeah, see, I'm not seeing anything with the description of load AppArmor. I don't know what it's talking about. Here's some more stuff.
--value. When printing properties with show, only print the value and skip. No, that's not it.
Now I am finding some stuff that says snap on it now. Ah, here we go. Managed internally. Yeah, okay, I found it. So we're looking for snapd.apparmor.service.
How'd you find that?
So I just typed in system control.
Oh, I found it.
Okay. It's way down sort of toward the bottom. snapd.apparmor.
I wonder if that stands for Snapdragon, which is like
Service.
a mobile device processor.
Could be.
Congratulations!
Yay! Whoa! Oh my gosh, that took a long time. Well, for anybody who stayed with us, we actually finished it. We actually finished this deal. So, so hopefully, I'm going to go ahead and hit mark complete and next, and hopefully, it will let us start off here next time we start. We are down to the working with web services, so that should be very interesting. So thank you very much for everyone for hanging with us on this, if you did so. Hopefully you learned a little bit about Linux, and just when you're not familiar with it, how hard it is to work with. So once you get used to it, I mean, I'm sure it's people can just blah, 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 and just do all kinds of crazy, awesome magic stuff with it and voodoo stuff with it. But for right now, we're struggling. But we're gonna get better, right? Right, Pete? We're gonna get better.
Oh yeah. Just gotta memorize all the commands.
That's right. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us again for this little hacking adventure, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.